What if I told you there's a vehicle out there that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie, but underneath, it's got the guts of a military-grade off-roader? Welcome back to California Autos. Today we're climbing aboard one of the wildest builds we've ever covered, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome. And trust me, Motorhome doesn't even begin to cover it. You're driving down the highway and suddenly this thing rolls up next to you. 2 stories tall, a windshield the size of a movie screen, LED lights tracing every curve of its body. For a second, you're not sure if you just saw a luxury tour bus, a military transport, or someone's actual house. That's the reaction the Scania Double Decker gets everywhere it goes. Heads turn, phones come out, because this isn't just an RV, it's a statement. Now here's where it gets serious. This beast rides on Scania's legendary heavy-duty 6x6 chassis, the same DNA you'd expect from equipment built to survive war zones and mining sites, not just campground parking lots. Power comes from a high-output turbo diesel, built for torque over top speed, the kind of engine that laughs at mountain grades and doesn't flinch when the pavement disappears. Pair that with true all-wheel drive across all 6 wheels, and you've got a machine that can handle highway cruising one day and desert trails the next, all while an intelligent suspension system keeps a 2-story living space from feeling like it. Here's the part that really separates this from every other motorhome on the market. It's not one level. It's 2 full floors of livable space, stacked like a luxury apartment. Step inside the lower deck and the camper feeling disappears instantly. We're talking reclining leather seating, a full entertainment setup, mood lighting, and climate control that would put some actual apartments to shame. Then there's the kitchen. Full-size fridge, induction cooktop, a real microwave. Hidden storage tucked into every possible corner. Whether you're parked on a cliffside or next to the ocean, you're cooking like it's a 5-star kitchen, not a road trip snack station. Now climb the stairs, because this is where it gets unreal. Up top, a private master bedroom wrapped in panoramic glass, so you wake up to whatever view you parked in front of. Mountains, coastline, desert sunrise, doesn't matter. Some builds even tuck in a second lounge or a full workspace up here, basically turning this thing into a mobile home office for anyone who wants to work from literally anywhere. And the bathroom? Forget the tiny wet room setups you're used to in RVs. This is a hotel-grade bathroom, rainfall shower, a proper sink, real lighting design. You genuinely forget you're inside a vehicle that's capable of crossing a desert. The cockpit is fully digital, advanced driver assistance, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, the works. And the living quarters run off a central touchscreen that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security from one panel. At the end of the day, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 isn't really a motorhome. It's an off-road explorer, a luxury penthouse, and a full-time home, all built into one machine that can go almost anywhere on Earth. If you're the kind of person who thinks the drive should be just as unforgettable as the destination, this might be the closest thing to the perfect road machine. That's it for today's build breakdown here on California Autos. If you love next-level rigs like this one, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.